पॉइंट एफ फोकस, जितनी भी रेज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस को पैरेलल आएंगी वो सभी फोकस से पास करेंगी। ये रूल होता है। Are you all getting it very clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the diagram well.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting response from rest of you.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see very well. Any ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will pass from the point focus. Can you see in the diagram? This ray is passing from point F after reflection. यश पुरोहित, समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
And rest of you, anybody who is having problem here? Okay, you can remove your copy, Tanishka. Now all of you can come to the gallery view. So, anyone who has not understood this point?
अभी मैं उनको ये चीज बोलूंगा ना तो इट विल क्रिएट सम रिजल्ट्स इन
Yes, 10th class, are you understanding or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm understanding.
Yes, Janvi?
Ma'am, I'm understanding.
समझ
Yes,
में
ma'am.
आया फर्स्ट रूल सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, any of the ray, incident ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis, कोई सी भी रे कहीं से भी आएगी, चाहे principal axis के ऊपर या principal axis के नीचे. Any ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis, it will after reflection pass through the focus. वो हमेशा focus से ही pass करेगी. And all of you make sure that you draw these rays with a straight scale. Don't draw with a rough hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now draw the second rule. Second is that what will happen if a ray is coming from the focus to the mirror. Read in your book and tell it to me. Yes, all of you can pin video and see the screen. This is the screen of Vanshika and Vinika. Vanshika and Vinika. All of you pin the video of Vanshika and Vinika. See, one incident ray is falling on the mirror after passing through the focus. ये जो incident ray है, आप मान लीजिए that this ray of light is coming from sun. It is first passing through the focus and then falling on the mirror. ये after reflection कहाँ जाएगी? I want the answer from all of you. Mehak Soni, कहाँ जाएगी after reflection?
Ma'am, may I done?
No, somebody else. Anupurvi.
Ma'am, parallel to principal axis.
Yes, it is the opposite of The rule which I have just told you, it is just the opposite. So after falling on the mirror, it will go parallel to the principal axis. If the incident ray is coming parallel, after refraction, it will cross from the focus. And if a ray is coming after crossing from the focus, reflection के बाद, it will go parallel. Opposite होगा एक दूसरे का. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to get it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
देव लालवानी, कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि सब ऊपर से जा रहा है? इंसिडेंट रे की जैसे.
Ma'am, please check my pen.
Yes, जानवी.
Please check my pen.
Yes, show me. Yes, very nice. Very good. Tanishka and Tanishka has also done well. Janvi also, Vanshika also.
Tanish.
Very good, very good. Yes, Tanishka and Tanishka, अच्छा बनाया बेटा. And rest all of you, where is Anushka Sharma? अनुपूर्वी, समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
तो दिखाओ आपने क्या ड्रॉ किया है. Amrita, are you understanding or no? Amrita, are you understanding this or no? Souvik, Charvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Souvik, have you drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
दिखाओ क्या ड्रॉ किया है.
मैंने कहा कि हम हमेशा फोन नंबर लिखते हैं और आप इसमें बिना फोन के भेज रहे हो, एटलीस्ट पोस्ट ऑफिस से फोन बताइएगा ना, जो भी रिसीवर है कि आपका एड्रेस कहाँ है या जो भी है, इसका सही ध्यान देना.
Rest all of you, quickly show me what have you drawn. Have you drawn these two rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi, what is the next rule?
Ma'am, a ray passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror or directed in the direction of the center of curvature of a convex mirror after reflection is reflected back along the same path. The light rays come back along the same path because the incident rays fall on the mirror along the normal to the reflecting surface.
Okay, can you show me the diagram anybody has drawn?
Ma'am, I have drawn.
You have drawn. Okay, all of you can pin video. All of you can pin Janvi Bhartendu's video and see the diagram.
हाँ.
जानवी, थोड़ा सा कॉपी को पीछे करो बेटा.
I have also drawn.
क्या कह रहे हो?
Yes, yes, it is visible
दियावती कर
now.
दी.
All of you can see the diagram here. A ray is passing through the center of curvature and falling on the mirror. What will happen to that ray? It will bounce back on the same path. You can see that incident ray is falling on the mirror after passing from the center of curvature. इससे पहले जो रूल हमने किया था, in that a ray was coming after passing through the focus and then falling on the mirror. that ray was going parallel after reflection, but what will happen to this ray of light? It is falling on the mirror from the center of curvature. ये sun में से एक light की ray आ रही है. You can see, all of you, imagine that this ray of light is coming from sun. But first it is crossing the center of curvature and then falling on the mirror. All of you can see the diagram well. Are you able to understand or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will happen? It will bounce back on the same path. जिस ट्रैक पे वो रे आ रही है वो उसी ट्रैक पे वापस जाएगी रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद. कैन यू रिमेम्बर दिस थिंग? हमेशा जब भी हम रे डायग्राम्स बनाएंगे, वी विल रिमेम्बर दिस थिंग दैट इफ अ रे इज फॉलिंग ऑन द मिरर after crossing the center of curvature, it will go on the same track. It will bounce back on the same track. Center of curvature is the center of that sphere जिसमें से आपने ये spherical mirror बनाया है. Yes, और आप देख सकते हैं जैसे principal axis और mirror को join करने से क्या बन रहा है? Radius. Similarly, this ray is also making a radius. Yes. So you just simply remember, जब भी कोई ray center of curvature से pass होके mirror पे fall करेगी, after reflection it will go back on the same path. Just remember this rule. First rule was that if a ray is coming parallel, after reflection it will pass from the focus. It has to pass from the focus. You have to remember this. Second rule, if a ray is falling on the mirror after passing through center of curvature, it will move back on the same track. Okay? First rule का opposite क्या था? That if a ray is falling on the mirror after passing through the focus, it will bounce back parallel to the principal axis. And Janvi, what is the last one?
Yes, ma'am. Fourth rule, a ray incident oblique to the principal axis towards the point pole of the mirror on the concave mirror. If reflected obliquely, the incident and reflected rays follow the laws of reflection at the point of incident, point P, making equal angles with the principal axis.
Yes. So in the laws of reflection, we have studied that always angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. ये हमने laws of reflection में पढ़ा था और आप कई सालों से पढ़ते भी आ रहे हैं. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see that an incident ray is falling on point P. It is falling on point P. और आपकी principal axis क्या है? It is just like a normal. जैसे plane mirror में normal होता है, your principal axis here is just like a normal. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when an incident ray is falling on P, reflection तो होगा. It will bounce back. But how much? कहाँ bounce back करेगी?
Ma'am, equal angle.
जो एंगल इंसिडेंट रे और प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के बीच में बन रहा है, सेम एंगल रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के बीच में बनेगा. ओनली द ऑपोजिट विल डायरेक्शन विल बी ऑपोजिट. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
आर यू गेटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, ma'am.
May I show the fourth diagram?
It's clearly given in your book also. Tanishka and Tanishka have also made it very well. You can see the diagram made by Tanishka and Tanishka. Vanshika and Vinika also have made. And I'm not able to see the others.
Ma'am, I'm showing Janvi Bharti.
बच्चों को काम दे दिया नहीं
So see, all of you can pin the video of Tanishk and Tanishka or Janvi Bhartendu or Vanshika and Vinika also.
Excuse me,
And
ma'am.
incident ray is falling on the pole. You can see angle I is the angle made between the principal axis and the incident ray. And angle R is the angle of reflection. That is the angle between the principal axis and the reflected ray. So what will happen when a ray is incident on the point P? It will reflect back and angle I will be equal to angle R. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can keep your copies down now. And I think this point is very much clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write down your today's homework, all of you. Quickly write down today's homework in your diaries. Your homework for today is that without looking into your book, without the help of your book, you will make these 4 diagrams again.
Yes, ma'am.
यार प्रभु बस मैं तो यही बैठा हूँ दिल्ली में आपको बधाई था 3-4 दिन तबीयत खराब हो गई मेरी
And on page number 162, open up page number 162 of your NCERT book.
और आपका ना बीच में कॉल आया ना आप
Deepak Shukla has made nice diagram, Deepak. It's good, you have made nice, very clearly mentioned, but angle I or angle R correct नहीं लिखा है. Angle I is always written with small I, not capital I. Okay? और जो reflected ray और principal axis के बीच में angle जो बनाया है आपने, where you have written A, that is not A, that is angle R, that is angle of reflection, angle R. I for incident, R for reflection. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And angle I is always equal to angle R. Now your homework is that you will make these 4 diagrams without taking help of your book. You will check yourself that can you make these 4 rules. क्या आपको ये 4 rules याद हैं और क्या आप इनका ray diagram अच्छे से बना सकते हैं? Because if you will be able to make this diagram properly, then only you will be able to make the other diagrams well. And on page number 162, you have to draw the ray diagram given figure 10.2A only for the concave mirror. You have to draw the ray diagram given on page number 162, figure 10.2A. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have to mark your attendance now and quickly show me the diagrams which you have made so that I can mark your attendance here. Start showing me your copies one by one so that I can mark your attendance here. Tanishk and Tanishka.
This is only of Tanishka.
Deepak Shukla, Janvi Bhartendu.
आगे कर दे मेरे.
Anshul and Charvi also has made निजदा गेरा, निजदा, where are the 4 diagrams? Rules कहाँ है? देव लालवानी, महक सोनी, वंशिका विनिका, अनुष्का, where are the rules? 4 rules कहाँ है? And rest all of you, should I mark you absent for today's class? I am not going to mark present to all those who have not shown the diagrams to me.
Ma'am, if my all diagrams are correct,
Who is this?
ma'am, Deepak.
Yes, Deepak. All the diagrams are correct. Charvi, I have marked you present. And rest all are marked absent. And all those who join the class late, let me tell you, I will not admit you after 10 minutes. So it's better you enter the class 10 minutes earlier. I'm ending the class now here.
Ma'am.
Next class will be at
Excuse me, ma'am.
10. Your next class will be at 10. So you can have a break of 10 minutes. You can go and have your breakfast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka and Tanishka.
And please tell the syllabus of science.
Syllabus, all those chapters which we have done before this chapter.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think you have done 6 chapters till now.
Yes, ma'am.
So those will be coming in your examination, excluding
Okay, ma'am.
this chapter. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
we
ma'am.
covered 7 chapters.
You have done chemistry chapter 1 to 5, all you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
And life processes you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, we've also covered our environment, Preeti, ma'am.
Our environment you have done. Okay, but I am not including that in the syllabus here. Only 1 to 6 you have to.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so see you all in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, all of you.